peace with God and to have the peace of God in our hearts is not enough. This vertical relationship must have a horizontal outworking, or our faith is in vain. Jesus said that we were to love the Lord with all our hearts and our neighbors as ourselves. This dual love of God and others is like the positive and negative poles of a battery. Unless both connections are made, we have no power. A personal faith is normally useless unless it has a social application. A notable exception would seem to be the thief on the cross, who repented only moments before his death, and yet countless people have been touched over the centuries by his example of faith. If we have peace with God and the peace of God, we will become peacemakers. We will not only strive to be at peace with our neighbors, but we will be leading them to discover the source of true peace in Christ. Is the peace of Christ in your life overflowing to others?